guys. So yeah, Ashore guest house. That's where I stayed last night. It's up the northern end of Turtuk. Really nice. The guys are really cool. Food's good. Had a great night's sleep. Thought we'd just go for a little walk around Turtuk this morning, and then I'll head back to Leh. So yeah, we'll have a bit of a poke around, and let's see what this little town has to offer. Cool. So the guy was telling me last night that just down from the guest house just there is this little pathway, and this apparently leads up to a really nice viewpoint over the village. So we'll go check that out. Yeah, it was a pretty easy walk, 5-10 minutes or so, and yeah, here it is, the little village of Turtuk, the most northern village in India. What an amazing place to call home. It's like a little oasis in the middle of this sort of desert river valley. I don't know how else to describe it. So, every town seems to have that. They must draw water from the river and use it to cultivate crops and trees. You'll be driving along, this will be desert, barren landscape, and then boom, an oasis, a patch of green in the middle of it. It's amazing. The path continued up a little that way, so I might just have a quick poke up there, see what there is. Then we might just go for a little quick walk down into the town village proper, and yeah, see what there is. I might like to go down and just wet my feet in the river or something. Maybe not my feet because I've got my shoes on, but wet my hands in the river. So yeah, onwards. Alright, so there's not too much further up the path, just a few some fields, a few houses. There's a sign for a guest house over there, but looks like it's a little overgrown. But wow, imagine waking up to that view every morning. Spectacular. Yeah, the path seems to finish, so I think I'll just head down in the village now. Nice little walk this morning. Morning, sir. And that, as far as I can tell, is the main street of Turtuk. Wow, it's like stepping back in time. It's beautiful. But I could not, will not ever get sick of the views around here. I've found a way to get down to the river. Let's go check it out. I imagine it's going to be freezing, as all the rivers and streams up here in the Himalayas have been. As I suspected, it's freezing, absolutely freezing. Quite powerful too. You can see behind and also probably here. And this is coming into winter time, so I can only imagine what it must be like when the snows are melting around springtime. Anyway, my shoes are getting wet, so I think I'll head back up into the village, then head back to the guest house, grab a bit of breakfast. Okay, I'm packed, fed, watered. 7 hours to get back to Manali, so let's do this. Alright, safely back in Zostel Leh. Firstly, a couple of clarifications. Obviously I was riding from Turtuk to Leh today, not to Manali. That would have been like a 24-hour ride, and no way. And the place I stopped for fuel on the way there was called Diskit. I think I called it Dilshan or Dishin or something like that. But yeah, amazing ride back again today. Just beautiful. Yeah, for those who are interested in doing something like this, really not that hard, I don't think, as long as you're a decent motorbike rider. I decided the day before yesterday at about 2 o'clock that I wanted to do it. The guys at Planet Himalaya really sorted me out. This bike has been brilliant, well looked after, well maintained. Everything's been sweet, didn't miss a beat. So the bike cost me $32 a day, so it's at $64 for the 2 days. The permit was $12. That'll pretty much any travel agency in town can do that for you. It took about half an hour, 40 minutes. You can get it done the day before, so you can leave early. I spent about $40 on fuel and probably $40 on accommodation and food while I was up there. So what's that? $150 for 2 of the best days of my life. Really can't complain too much. I'm gonna go and get something to eat. Hopefully try and have a shower. Oh yeah, you're probably wondering why we were going to take a taxi back to Manali. It's because we decided that even though it was amazing driving the rickshaw here to Leh, we'd rather have a couple of more days up here to explore and look around than spend 4 days driving back. So we're going to throw it on a truck, and I've just been informed that we're actually going to jump in the truck with the rickshaw. So I think that's going to be about a 22-hour trip back to Manali, which we leave in 2.5 hours. So yeah, should be another adventure, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway guys, what an amazing trip. It's just been phenomenal. I'd strongly recommend it to anyone who wants to do it. Man, I didn't even take a map, so it's not that hard. Just ask locals. As long as you can ride a bike all right and comfortable with the controls, just ask locals if you get stuck. They were more than happy to help me out. So yeah, take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. Ciao.